晚大約8點半，一名19歲嘅日本女留學生同佢一名朋友喺加拿大呢一邊嘅瀑布上游區域影相嘅時候，
She was sitting sort of right here. She had one leg on either side.
目擊者話，該名女留學生想轉身跨翻入嚟嘅時候，失足墮下尼亞加拉瀑布。
Straddling the wall, she was hanging onto an umbrella at the time, and that may have had something to do with taking her off balance.
尼亞加拉警方聯同消防部門同埋公園局警方出動直升機同埋小艇，由尋晚開始直到今日繼續搜索，但係仍然揾唔到佢，相信佢生還機會好渺茫。
I've been in policing here for 35 years, and I don't recall anybody accidentally falling over that railing in my 35 years of service here. So it's pretty rare.
而整個跌落去嘅過程就被閉路電視拍低。雖然嗰度尋晚發生失足意外，咁但係今日嘅遊客仍然都係絡繹不絕。就算有告示牌警告遊客唔好攀爬石壆，但係好少遊客真係理會。有遊客表示，當局應該設置多啲告示牌警告遊客唔好隨便攀爬。
There probably should be more signs and maybe people standing there saying no, get down off of the fence.
咁但係另外亦都有人覺得呢個係遊客自己嘅責任。
People just go too far. You know, I don't blame anything on the park. I just think people wanted to get that extra edge, get closer. And unfortunately, things happen.
警方已經通知本國日本領事館同埋失蹤者喺日本嘅家人，咁但係就未有公佈失蹤者嘅姓名。咁另外，尋日亦都有一名27歲嘅男子失足墮下10米深嘅尼亞加拉峽谷，佢係3名違規進入尼亞加拉峽谷嘅男子之一。當時佢被困喺谷底，同伴報警求助，救出送院時腳部同埋頭部受傷。警方表示將會提出相關檢控。